boxes!
Hello everybody! Today is a Bell Boxes building day. Look, green blocks. Let's start to build. Oh no! We must try again. Red blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 red blocks. Balls. Yellow, blue, and green. I have an idea. I missed it. I missed it again. Did you see that? Wow! Let's keep on building. Yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow blocks. Oh, watch out! Wow! Let's see it again in slow motion. Pink blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pink blocks. This looks like a robot. Oh, watch out, robot. Here comes the blue ball. Wow! And the slow motion. Now I'm gonna mix the colors and build the biggest tower ever. Yellow, green, and pink. Oh, see the red teddy bear. And the green teddy bear. Wow! Oh no, you know what's gonna happen now. Wow! And let's see it again. That's it for today. Bye!
Bell butchers!
Hi everybody! In this video we're gonna learn some colors. But first we're gonna see what's in this box. Oh, we've got Lego. A lot of bricks. But we've only got two colors. Red and yellow. What can we make out of all these bricks? I'm sure we can do something. First, I'm gonna separate the colors. And then we start to build. I've got an idea. Can you guess what I'm building? Maybe it's some kind of furniture? No, it's some kind of animal. Do you recognize this animal? Yes, you do. It's an elephant. A red elephant. I'm gonna make something more. Look, I found an eye on a yellow brick. I'm gonna use the eyes to make more animals. Now that's a funny animal. And now when I put the ears on, you can see that it's a dog. A yellow dog. But he needs a friend. So I'm going to make a red dog also. There it is. A red dog. And a yellow dog. I'm sure they're going to be best friends. But look at all these bricks. I'm gonna make something bigger now. Can you see what I'm building? I'm gonna tell you. I am building a ship. A red ship. The wheelhouse is yellow. These are the windows. A yellow wheelhouse on a red ship. It's almost ready. Yeah, do you like it? Big and strong ship. And there it sails away. Ah, look. Door. Now we can build a house. First, I'm gonna build a red frame around the door. But then the wall will be yellow. We're gonna need a lot of yellow bricks. Look, and a window. And another window. This house is going to be big. There we go. But don't you think we should put a roof on the house? Yes, a red roof. Now it's almost ready. And here's the last one. Wow! Yellow house with a red roof. And we've got few more yellow bricks left. What can we make out of it? Ah, we've got tires. So we can build a car. Look, it's a truck. Yellow truck. Who's knocking on the door? It's the red dog. The yellow dog is driving away on the yellow truck. And the red elephant, he's gonna sail on the red ship. There he goes. Thanks for watching Bell Boxes. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Hi everybody, I am very excited because today we are making popsicles. Popsicles in 3 different colors. Oh, our first ingredient are strawberries. So I believe our first popsicles will be pink. First, I put 6 strawberries in my blender. Then we put 1 banana, and some milk. I'm gonna put 2 dates in it too, to make it a little bit sweeter. Oh, look at the color! It turns beautifully pink. Before we continue, let's see what's in this box. Popsicle molds, of course! We are sure gonna need that. I can't wait to taste it. These popsicles are going to be so healthy. And here are the sticks. Now we have made 2 pink strawberry popsicles. Let's do another recipe. We start with an orange. This is juicy. We're gonna squeeze all the juice from it. And the other half. Look, there's not much left in there. Look at all this juice. It came from only 1 orange. But now let's put it in the blender. I also put 1 banana and handful of spinach. Oh, I think I know what will be the color of these popsicles. Green. And I know how big and strong you all will be when you eat it. Okay, we'll make 2 green popsicles. And we have 1 recipe left. We're gonna need 1 banana, cocoa, 3 dates, and some milk. Let's put it all in the blender. These popsicles will definitely be brown and taste like chocolate. Now I will put it in the freezer. I'm gonna check them out tomorrow. Now I go to sleep. Good morning! We have a brand new day and some popsicles to taste. It's the brown one. Chocolate. And this one is green. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. And then this must be the pink one with the strawberries. Pink, green, and brown. I'm gonna take 1 bite. It's delicious. And the green one? It's also very good. And my favorite, chocolate. It's very easy to make these popsicles, and you should try to do it yourself. Just ask your mom or dad to help you to make the Bell Boxes popsicles. I'm sure they will help you because the Bell Boxes popsicles are so healthy for kids like you. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bell Boxes! Hello. La la. La la. La la. I don't know. La la. No. La la. Huh? La la. Ha. La la. Hello. La la. Oh. La la. Dope. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Louder. Okay. Huh? Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, there we go. Jumpy-dopo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Huh? Whoa! Wow! Oh, wow! Oh, la la! How? Bell boxes! Hello. Hello. Cuckoo. Huh? Oh? Huh? Oh. Huh. No, no, no. Hmm. Oh. Huh? Wow. Cuckoo. Huh? Oh. Huh. Oh. Huh. No, no, no. Cuckoo. Oh. Oh. La la. Ah, la la. Oh. Oh. Oh, dun. Oh. Oh. La la. Huh? Yobo, yobo, yobo. Ayan na. I know. Bell boxes!